If you want to stop depending on your salary only, then here are just simple high-demand digital skills that will pay you more than your 9-to-5 jobs. Number one is digital product setup specialist. People nowadays create ebooks, courses, templates like you see online, which is called digital products, but they don't know how to set them up on Seller, on Google, on System.io, on Stand Store, or any digital platform where they can sell their digital products. This is where you come in. This skill helps you to help them upload their content or their ebook or their courses or their video courses or whatever it is on this website. This is a skill that is in high demand because digital product is the order of the day. Number two is creator operation assistant or a media assistant, like we do call it. Creators do not need more editors. They need people that will help them stay organized. You'll be in charge of the content planning, upload management, script organization, managing brand folders, affiliate links, and every tracking that they need as a content creator. You can call it also like their assistant, but this time it will be their virtual assistant. So this kind of skill pays because it saves creators hours every week. Third one is online research and information sourcing. Entrepreneurs are busy. They need someone who can find tools, compare products, gather data, research jobs, and compile resources for them. If you know how to use your Google and ChatGPT very well, then you'll be a good match for this skill. The next one is digital organization specialist. People are digital these days, right? They need people that will help them organize their Google Drive, their Dropbox, their email, their phone file, project folder in the right order. Digital organization specialist is somebody that helps people to organize their digital life without being chaotic. People will pay for peace of mind. Quote me anywhere. Next one is community engagement manager, like WhatsApp group, Facebook communities, Telegram channels. If you know, content creators are everywhere right now, and it is impossible to be able to manage all those accounts by yourself. I'm a witness to that. I have so many accounts and I cannot even manage those it by myself. I have somebody that helped me manage some of my accounts, and this is where you come in. It is called community engagement manager. You will help welcome new members, monitor conversation, answer basic questions, keep the community active. The role is really, really lucrative right now. If you do your research well, then this skill comes in handy in this time and age. Next one is e-commerce catalog and store setups. You help seller upload products, write description, organize categories, upload inventories, set up payment gateway like e-commerce, like Etsy, like sports, Shopify, like Seller, etc. This skill is really in high demand. The next one is online repetition manager. Just like the name says, every brand needs a repetition manager. Business need help in responding to Google review, comment, customers' complaints, social media mentions. You help them maintain their image and they pay you well. The next one is personal digital assistant. People are busy and they need help with booking appointments, finding deals, organizing receipts, reminder, research tasks. It's a very luxury service. It's a premium service because it's not for everybody. If you're able to do your research well, there are people that need personal digital assistant. This is different from social media assistant. This one is personal. And when you talk about personal, you know that these people that need them are going to be people of high end, not low end. So you can do your research on that. And the last one in this video is simple data visualization. Not complicated analytics will just turn numbers into something readable. You will help create charts, summary, visual reports, simple dashboard, Google Sheets, or Canva enough to start, like things that are simple like that, not deep. All I want you to do right now is take each and every one of these skills that I just mentioned to you in this video, type them on Google, learn more about them, check out websites that you can actually get this skill and be very, very highly knowledgeable in that particular skill. Then go also on Google or on ChatGPT, search for job offers that are available at this time for your view. Then apply to this job offer. Simple as ABC. And if you want me to make a video or website on where you can get remote jobs using these particular skills that I've already provided in this video, then let me know in the comment section. Here is the truth. There are skills out there that can change your income faster than your job hunting ever will. You don't need to quit your job if you have one. If you don't have one, then you just need one skill that people already need. Pick one, practice it, and start charging. Let your income finally match your efforts. Which of these skills will you be trying out? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And I will see you in my next video with more information that is going to change your life. Until then, I remain your media assistant. Toodoo.